Welcome back. Now, the only real way to edit an audio properly is going to be to listen to it at least once in real time. And that means that you're going to need to listen to your audio on your timeline and play it inside of Audacity. Now, one of the things we're going to do to demonstrate this is we're going to turn down the audio on this particular playback so that you can see what happens, although you will not be listening to the actual audio. So basically, all you would really need to do is to start by playing the audio back. And the audio will obviously be making sound. And there may be a point at which you hear something and you don't necessarily like what you've heard. When that's the case, what you want to do is try to find the point in the audio where you need to take out the piece that you don't like. And you're going to place your cursor before the piece. And all you'll need to do is to highlight the piece that you don't want by dragging your cursor. And then you can hit your delete key. That will then remove the piece that you don't need. There are going to be other cases where you have recorded and you might feel as if there's too much silence between times that you're actually speaking. When that's the case, you can remove the dead space. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in on one particular area. And for example, we could decide that the space between these two times where we were speaking, that we need to remove that space because it's too much dead air. So we're going to go back to our selection tool. We're going to place our cursor at the beginning of the range. We're just going to slide it over to the end of the range. And once again, we're going to hit the delete key. Now, you could have a case where the opposite is true. You need to put silence or you need to add time to a particular period of time in the recording. You're going to place your cursor exactly where you want to add in the time or the silence, and you're going to click generate, and you're going to click silence, and then you're going to add in the number of seconds. So in this case, we're going to add in 1 entire second. So you'll notice that there's an hour area, there's a minute area, and then these are the seconds. We're going to make sure this is 1 second. We're then going to click OK. And you'll see then that Audacity will add in silence at the point at which we designate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.